Hi, my name is Federico Resti. I'm the general manager at the Mall Resort here in Devon. We just made an investment of over £25 million and 58 lodges, which they all have the Wellis hot tubs.
My name is Lisa Townsend. I work as part of the project team here at the Mall Resort on behalf of London Regional Hotels. We've chosen to work with Wellis because we have the same green ethos and we value all the work they're doing on green credentials, and that is supporting us in our eco journey.
My experience with the Wellis hot tubs has been fantastic. The guest feedback is great. Actual feedback is that they want one for their own home.
Hot tubs are very important for our offering because these days guests expect a hot tub in the same way as they do a sofa or a bathroom. So these are very important. These are particularly lovely hot tubs because the powerful jets and the experience the guest gets at the end of a very active day is absolutely great, and we have really good feedback from our guests for them.
We change the water every time there is a new check-in. Guests check out at 10 o'clock in the morning, for check-in at 3 o'clock. Plenty of time. The Wellis engineers, they done with our project team a fantastic installation, and it takes even less than an hour and a half.
We've chosen to work with Wellis as our hot tub partner because we've put together a lot of innovation. The hot tub now links in with our air source heat pump system. We can heat these very quickly. There's been a lot of technology worked on in the background, and it's a great solution for us.
And the people at the engineers are really educated people, and they take us through step by step on any aftercare that we need to do.
So here at the Mall Resort, we pride ourselves on our active days. There are many activities which are outdoors, but there's also a lot to do indoors if the weather's not so kind. So it is a great, exciting place to be, and a hot tub at the end of the day is exactly where you need to be, where you need to end your day.
I would definitely recommend the Wellis to other park operators. If there's anything to go by, the service that I received is not just a great asset to your business, but equally is a great return of investment already.
They have a great attitude towards technology, and they've worked really closely with us to develop this product. We have a joint ethos towards our green attitude, which is brilliant, and the aftercare they provide is really good, and they've been very supportive, so they are easy to work with, and it's been a pleasure.